Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's going to be another weekend vlog video and I hope you're all doing fine and staying safe inside home. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and let's begin the vlog. So I have done a Q&A on my Instagram stories and couple of you have asked some questions and I'm going to answer your questions right now, but not inside the house. I'm going to go outside and sit in my backyard and enjoy the weather. It's so beautiful, and answer your questions. So let's go outside. So I'm in my backyard. Let's see what questions you guys have asked me. Okay. So Smruti.Mane, she asked me, can you do your house tour? I am debating on doing a house tour because house is like our private place. So I don't know. I want to do, but I also don't want to do. But we'll see. I hope I do it so that you can all see my house. Sushmita for you asked, what kind of food do you normally cook? Do you eat non-veg? I normally cook regular food, regular Indian food. We don't eat non-veg, we are vegetarians. Me and my husband both are vegetarians. So yeah, regular rice, dal, roti, curry, all that stuff. And Mars Mani 1, when did you move to USA and how long you living there? I moved to USA in 2012, so it's been 8 years now. Yeah, 8 years. And YYC_colors asked, how do you manage your time with working, blogging and gardening? I kind of manage, but to be honest, most of the garden work is done by my husband. He likes to do gardening and I take care of everything else inside the house. So we kind of split up. I don't want to involve his work, I don't want to put finger in his work. So he can do his work peacefully and I can do my work peacefully. And how do I manage my time with working and vlogging? It is difficult actually. To record a video, edit a video and post it on social media and then uploading on YouTube, it takes a lot of time. But I'm really passionate about YouTube. I really want to do YouTube videos. I may not be consistent because as you know that I'm working, have a 9-to-5 job, but I do try my best to post as often as possible. I also have a to-do list. I write whatever I need to do for the day. Sometimes I have a weekly to-do list so that I know in that week I should do that. And I also record videos in bulk and try to edit them whenever I have time. So little steps helps me keep me consistent with work and vlogging and everything. So I do editing by myself, recording. Sorry for the break, my battery died, so I had to put charging. But yeah, I do everything by myself, editing, recording, everything related to social media and everything. I just like it, but I don't get much time to do it. But I do try my best and I hope you guys are all happy with my work. So moving on to the next question. Indian Curry Trail. Uma from Indian Curry Trail asked me, no questions, but always feeling good to see your garden views and updates. Thank you so much, Uma. I do really appreciate your support. If you don't know Uma, she is the blogger behind Indian Curry Trail. Do follow her. And yeah, thanks for saying that. And next I have a question from Payal from Simple Living Wise Thinking. You guys must know her. She is a very popular YouTuber. She does daily vlogs. Do check her out if you don't know her. So she asked, where do you work? So Payal, you know that is a very confidential question that I cannot answer on my channel or social media because due to privacy reasons, but I will send you a message where I work personally. But I do work as an specialist in customer relations, not in IT, but I will tell you everything offline in our messages. Thanks for asking that, Payal. And Anu Chapriya asked, please share proper kudu and sambar recipe. I will share. I already have sambar recipe on my channel as well as website. I'll send you the link. Proper kudu. I don't know what kudu is called in Telugu, but I look it up and I'll definitely show that recipe soon. And next, Amala Kilaru asked, how's your parents in India? Hope they are doing good. Situation is worse here than before. Thanks for asking, Amala. My parents are doing good. We are telling them to be safe and stay at home. Yes, I do understand the situation is worse, but all we have to do is stay inside and avoid as much as human contact so that we don't get a virus. Thanks for asking that. And Nandu asked, waiting for your compost video. So she asked me before to make a video on how we do composting in our backyard. That is definitely on my list, but I do need help from my husband because since he does most of the gardening work, I do know about composting, but I want his inputs as well to the video so that you guys know everything. Thanks for asking that. And I do have a couple of questions that you guys asked in DMs, so let me see if I can find them. Okay, so Sushmita she sent a message where she suggested something. So she said, hi Subbu, you are an inspiration to so many people. Thank you so much. You cook so well and so much more stuff we learn from your vlogs, but still we know only a little about you. So please do a video about yourself, like an intro video in YouTube, so that it will help you to grow your channel too. Thank you, Sushmita. That's a wonderful idea, and I'm sure you might only know bits about me. That's so true. You don't know much about me, so if you want to know more about me, do let me know in the comments what questions do you want me to answer. Like, to do an intro video is so difficult. It's just like going to an interview and the interviewer asks you, tell me about yourself. We know so much about ourselves, we don't know what to put out there. So I feel it's a very difficult question to do, like tell me about myself or do an intro video. So definitely leave a comment below your questions so that I'll make a list of those questions and kind of do an intro video. If I get good response, I'll do the video. Otherwise, it will get delayed, obviously, because I want to do videos that you only show interest about. Of course, Sushmita is very helpful, suggesting that to do that. But at the end of the day, I want every one of you to be happy after watching my video, satisfied, and I don't want you guys to feel like you wasted your time by watching my vlog. So definitely leave comments below. What questions should I answer in my intro video? Like what should I explain about myself so that you guys will know me better? And I think I have a couple more. I think that's it, guys. I don't have any more questions or messages, or maybe I'll skip them. But if I skipped your question, do let me know in the comments. I will answer you in the comments. And today I think we are planning to go outside to garden center to get some plants if they are there. We want to get some tomato plants. So we will be going there. If we go there, I'll definitely include some clips from there. And tomorrow is my husband's birthday, so I'm in a dilemma whether to make a lot of dishes and do that hangama or only keep it simple. I don't know, but I do have something in my mind. I want to do desserts and some simple dishes. So I think I'm going to work from tonight to make dessert. So because dessert you can make it the before day, but yeah, we'll see what I'm going to make. I am in a confusion. I have so many options. I don't know what to choose from. So stay tuned for that. Now I'm going to end this, and then if we go out, I'm going to record that and some more clips from the evening. Enough talking, and I'll see you later. Bye.
So we did go to garden center in the evening.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
We didn't find our tomato plants, so we came to Lowe's. At Lowe's there is a good deal right now. You can get 3 for $10, and these are big plants as well. So we ended up getting 3 pots of tomato plants. We got varieties Celebrity and Big Boy. Celebrity is a disease resistant tomato plant, so definitely check them out. And we kept them in the back seat so that they don't fall while we are driving. So after returning from garden center, I made tea as well as some sabudana khichdi for evening snack. It came out super delicious, and the recipe is on my website. Please do check it out.
Hey guys, it's almost 9 o'clock in the night and we finished our dinner, and I wanted to make some desserts as tomorrow is my husband's birthday, but I just realized that I have grocery pickup tomorrow morning, early morning at 7:30. So I need to have space in the refrigerator so that I can load all the fresh grocery. I did order quite a bit because we are having a red alert in our state. Because of the coronavirus cases, it's growing up like crazy, so they have issued level 1 red alert. So we are not supposed to go out unless there's an emergency or there is a need, but we will do grocery pickup, which means we will sit in our car and those guys will come and load it in our car trunk, so we don't have to get down, we don't have to interact anything, everything is online. And so it's very convenient, easy and contactless, so that the risk of getting the virus is very low. So we are trying to stay I'm staying at home because I have work from home. So we are trying to stay at home as much as possible. We are not going out at all. So that's why now I'm not making anything. I'll make some space in the fridge so that for tomorrow morning I'll have everything ready and I can start cooking. So I have decided to keep it simple. Few dishes, one or two desserts and couple of savory dishes, nothing too much, because I know my husband enjoys anything simple, and he will eat only one item which is really good out of all of that. So if I make 5 items, if one item he liked so much, he will eat that and he will leave rest of them. So let me know guys in the comments, do you like long vlogs or do you like short vlogs? So in my opinion, short vlog is somewhere around 14 minutes to 18 minutes, and then long vlog is somewhere around 25 minutes to 30 minutes. So let me know in the comments which one you prefer, because I almost post one vlog a week because I don't have much time during the week, so I only post on weekends. I mean, I record the vlogs on weekends and I post only one vlog a week. So do you like to see like 25 to 30 minutes vlog because I only post one, or do you like only short vlogs, or do you like both? Let me know your comments below so that from next time I'm going to edit like that, so that it's a short or long vlog according to your suggestions. So I'm going to take the majority of the comments, majority of the suggestions, and definitely do like that, either short or long blog. And many of you are asking like how to start a YouTube channel and how to get subscribers and how to get views and all these questions. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see how to become a YouTuber, how it's like to become a YouTuber, how to gain subscribers, or how to start the YouTube journey, because I know due to the lockdown many of you guys are interested to start a YouTube channel, because of course you get money, and also if it's something you are passionate about, why not, you can definitely do it. So let me know in the comments below if you want me to do something like that, so that in the next video I can make a video like a short 10 to 15 minutes video saying what I did to grow my YouTube channel, what software I use to edit, how I plan my YouTube videos. There is a lot of content there. I can make those videos, but only if you guys are interested. If you are not interested, I don't want to waste your time by posting such videos. So definitely let me know in the comments below if you want me to make those videos. And I think now I'm going to rearrange the fridge a little bit, because I have some extra produce from our garden. So I'm going to rearrange that so that I can make some space for tomorrow's vegetables. And after that I'm just going to clean the kitchen a little bit. The sink is already clean and the dishwasher is already loaded and started. Just the things around the island, it gets really messy, guys. I'm not kidding, it gets super messy, because everything comes up and lands there. It's like a struggle, but I have to deal with it because it's a flat surface. Everybody in the sense me and my husband, we get lazy and we keep stuff there and it piles up. So I'm definitely going to tackle that, because tomorrow morning when I'm cooking for my husband, it will be very easy if it's neat and clean. So I'm going to do that. First thing is to rearrange the fridge, clean out a little bit, and second thing is to clean out the kitchen so that it will be easy tomorrow. And I hope I'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye.
While I came to clear the fridge, I found these beans inside the fridge, which I was supposed to prepare, so I thought why not. And these are our fresh homegrown beans from our backyard. So here I want to show you how to quickly remove the string of the beans. With one hand hold the bean, with the other hand pull it like that, so it will easily come off. As you can see, the string from the both ends is attached to the top piece, and here you can see it smoothly opens up without any problem. So the skin is not edible, that's why I'm keeping all the skins aside, because the skin is very tough and fibrous, and since it's mature skin, it's not good for cooking. And I'm going to keep the parts which are very tender to the side, and I'm not going to open them because the bean inside the tender parts is not that big, and I'm going to cook the tender parts as well. These are two different types of beans, and I love beans, and we grow like 4 or 5 different varieties of beans, and I love making stir fries with them. So here I am done with the stringing part. So I got the beans, these are the tender beans, and these are the skins which I'm going to throw it in the compost bin. So now I'm not going to wash them. I'm going to keep them in the fridge in this box, and whenever I'm ready to cook, then only I will wash and cut it into pieces and use in cooking. So my process is done. This is the preparation I do. You can also freeze these, they freeze beautifully. And this is next day morning, Saturday morning, and the weather is so beautiful. It's so peaceful in the morning, no traffic, so quiet and so cold as well. If you open the window, there is a beautiful breeze coming from the window, and as you can see, it is so beautiful outside, lot of greenery. So we came for the pickup, and we will park here, and the delivery guy will come to the trunk and load it in our car. We don't even have to get down from the car. It is so easy and convenient. Since I decided to keep it simple, I baked a cake and I decorated it. Don't judge my decorating skills. I'm really not good at it. So, and I got this ice cream for him. He loves this ice cream. So I got a big half-gallon ice cream container for him, and this is jeera rice, and I also made aloo makhni. It came out super delicious, and he enjoyed it as well. So pretty simple, basic birthday preparation. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you enjoyed it, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and do send your birthday wishes to my husband, and let me know in the comments your suggestions, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again with a new video. Bye.